I know people think that, oh, she knows Salman, so she knows so and so, so it must be easy. But sure, it's helpful when you know people from the industry, they can help you meet people. But it's not always that easy. Attraction, love, I think in my head, I believe I've only been in love once.
Okay.
I mean, I hope it was love, but it must have been. Because I know my mother stalks and reads and loves to know who is writing what below my daughter's photos. So. Attraction, love, I think in my head, I believe I've only been in love once.
Okay.
I mean, I hope it was love, but it must have been. It was the only person I think I had a proper longish relationship with. And I think it was love. But I think we grew up together, so that's a different kind of, you know, energy and a different kind of equation, because you'll always, like, even today, that person is still a friend and someone I will call if good or bad, anything happens. You know, I still have that regard for one another. We still have that bond. And in school, the first time I was ever in a relationship was in the 10th grade. My parents had a love marriage, and they were each other's first boyfriend and girlfriend. They were high school sweethearts. They dated for some 7-8 years before they got married. So I've grown up seeing that love, and they're still quite lovey-dovey. And like my brother and I are like, oh my God, like please now, guys. But I think because I've grown up watching them, they've become, that's the kind of love that I'd want in my life. So it's always been that way. So I always thought, so whoever I dated, I thought, isi se main shaadi karungi. Isi se main shaadi karungi. Never happened. Like, I believe in like the institution of marriage. I believe that I want a family. I want that. Those are things, because I've seen it, I've experienced it with my own. So I hope it happens. That would be ideal. For me, when I'm in a relationship, I think my priorities, I give that much to that, and then, you know, to work, of course. But I think right now I'm in a phase of my life where it's not like I'm averse it, or I'm not stopping it from going to happen. If it's going to happen, I would love for it to happen. Who would? I think it's a great thing to be in love. I don't have those timelines or any such fixed things that I want to get. You know, I don't want to be in a relationship because I'm working now and things. That's not on my head. But I think right now, because he's not even in the vicinity, to be honest. My focus is just by default on the right thing. No, see, I think never say never, because I don't want to say that and who knows, few years down the line I end up with somebody from the industry. I've stopped. Initially when I just started off, I used to think like, I don't think I can date an actor and all that. But no, I think you can. I don't think a profession would matter anymore. In a low phase, yes, we've all been there. Why friends? Even I've been like, I don't want to get out of bed, I just want to sit at home, I don't want to go out. And friends say, listen, you've got to get out. Like, you cannot be sitting at home and crying over somebody. It's not how, you know, and it's okay actually. If you're feeling a certain way, let it out. If you want to cry, let it out. But then move on, allow your friends in, allow your family in, you know, so talk about it and get it out of your system so you feel lighter and move on. I feel like finally I'm getting the opportunities to do films that I really wanted to do. I don't, like, a lot of people think Dhoni was my first film, but it was actually Fugly in 2014, which came a year before Dhoni. And that after Fugly, because the film didn't do really well, I didn't become that overnight sensation or anything. People didn't know me. I was still auditioning. I almost went into that, like, that was my lowest point in my life, when I thought that, will I even get a second chance? What's going to happen to my career? Am I going to get another opportunity? Many auditions didn't work, but finally Dhoni had clicked. And it was a lovely film, a big film to be a part of. And that was the first film that finally got me connected to the audience in a way that I almost became, in some houses, a household name.
Not some, a lot.
I mean, today people who know me as Sakshi Dhoni in The Girl Who Played Dhoni, you know, that film. Then Last Stories changed every single thing. Last Stories was like my, you know, everyone saw the performer and the actor in me, and they felt like, okay, this girl can act. So finally, like, those same people I probably met during auditions, or the same people who didn't want to meet me, I was getting an opportunity to now work with them. If you just go like I just feel like don't give up on yourself. Don't let anyone draw you down. There'll be bad days. Yeah, everybody has bad days. People will pull you down. Your own rejections may make you feel bad, but if you don't believe in yourself, then nobody else will. So I just stuck to that. I said, no, I can't stop believing in this thing that I've been wanting to do for all my life. And now after 4-5 years, I finally got these opportunities. So I've worked towards them and I've longed for them. And now that I have them, I feel I value it so much more because I've seen the other side as well. I've seen it really not doing well. I've seen my fair share of failure, which this industry is unpredictable. You don't know it's a Friday to Friday thing, so you don't know what's going to happen. But I think the journey is more important for me. And I know people think that, oh, she knows Salman, so she knows so and so, so it must be easy. But sure, it's helpful when you know people from the industry, they can help you meet people. But it's not always that easy because it's not a sure shot anything. It's not that those people you meet are going to 100% give you a film. It's not always that they all want to meet you because for them it's also like, but I don't have anything to offer right now. And some people look at your last film and decide whether, no, but should we take or not? It's not like her last film work. Maybe take a new face instead. So it was a period which was tough. I mean, a little bit it pinches you, but a while ago, yeah, it did. It got to me. And more than me, I would feel like I don't want my parents to feel bad or read this. Because I know my mother stalks and reads and loves to know who is writing what below my daughter's photos. So I would maybe be more concerned to protect them.